So today we will be connecting a GE Z-Wave smart switch with a Nexia Bridge. When you buy a GE Z-Wave smart switch, the box will contain the following items: the GE Z-Wave smart switch, a product manual, and a flyer showing the GE Z-Wave product line. The GE Z-Wave smart switch receives its power by plugging it in a power socket. We open our Nexia app on our mobile device. We tap on the left top menu button, and in the menu we tap on Connect New Device. We tap on Z-Wave device. We tap on Continue. The Nexia Bridge Z-Wave light will now blink orange, indicating that it is in pairing mode. We proceed by plugging in the GE Z-Wave smart switch into a power socket. We push on the Z-Wave action button found in the center of the GE Z-Wave smart switch. The Nexia app will indicate that it has found the GE Z-Wave smart switch and that the pairing process has been successful. We have hereby successfully paired the GE Z-Wave smart switch with the Nexia Bridge.